Hi, I'm Dave Stern, one of the partners and owners of the law firm Stern Cohen, workers' compensation lawyers. So a frequent call that we get, and frankly, an upsetting call that we get, is from clients when their workers' compensation check is late. It's a call that is difficult to receive because we feel really bad about the situation, and we could understand, being in your shoes, the panic that would go into not getting a paycheck, because workers' compensation lost wage benefits are your paycheck when you're injured and unable to work. And if a paycheck didn't arrive, that would cause panic. So certainly if you do not get your workers' compensation check, we would certainly expect the same reaction. So what do we do when we get this call from you? Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to reach out. If your case is in litigation or an attorney is representing the employer and insurance company, we have to go to the lawyer. We cannot go directly to the insurance company because they have counsel. But we're going to go right to that lawyer, we're going to tell them what's going on, and we're going to demand a response. If they're not represented, we'll go right to the insurance adjuster. And if we don't get a pretty quick response from the insurance adjuster, we'll go to their supervisor. But again, we're going to demand a response. And normally this gets resolved quickly. There is usually very little pushback, and we're either told that a mistake was made, that our client fell off a computer diary system and the check just didn't go out and it's rectified immediately, or we're told that the check went out and something must have happened in the mail. Frankly, ever since COVID, there have been all types of issues with the Postal Service, and we've seen this more often than we would like, where it's just lost in the mail. And what we will do, we will ask them to put an immediate stop pay on it and reissue the check. Now, what does happen if we do not get a satisfactory response, or if it keeps happening over and over again? Then we will file what's called a penalty petition, and we'll take them to court. We'll ask the judge to assess penalties against them for not paying our client in a timely fashion. And we will aggressively pursue this for you. But rest assured, at Stern Cohen, when this phone call comes in, it's one of our top priority calls, and we will address it immediately for you and keep you updated as well in terms of answers that we're getting from the other side, so you can know the status of this, because we can understand that you'd want to know exactly where this stands. And we will, in fact, keep you informed and get it resolved for you in the quickest fashion possible.